in Fremont today helping my customer you. I've got two areas. Let's take a look. First of all, we have this pet damage right here by this guy, Doggy. Doggy. And it's right by this ripple. So of course, it's obvious. We're just gonna stretch it out, cut the excess, trim it, put some glue sealer on there. Call that a day. Okay, that's looking good, nice and tight. Remove that damage. But now over this ripple, we have a bit of a dark line. Sometimes it can still resemble the ripple. So what I like to do is take a little spot carpet cleaner, just spray right down there and kind of scrub that clean. Now it won't always remove the texture difference that we have here where the crease was folded, but it will help. And now that the carpet's flat, walking on it, vacuuming, carpet cleaning will make that flat again. And right over here, Doggy got to it again. We've got this area that's ripped and shredded. So fortunately the customer has extra carpet. Gonna take out that furniture mark as well because I don't like it. So we'll put this to good use. Heat up the Black & Decker steamer. Now it's time to trace out the damage area in preparation for our bonded insert. There you have it, permanently sectioned and bonded in place. That's another one down the books. I appreciate you watching. Let me know what you thought and see you on the next one.